Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set up Schlage Access for Vrbo guest temporary codes plus remote control. Setting up access for Vrbo guests on a Schlage smart lock, such as Schlage Encode or Connect, usually requires a manual process of generating time-bound codes and securely sending them to your guest before check-in. Step 1. Generate a custom guest code. Open the Schlage Home app and tap on your lock from the device list. Then tap the plus sign or the guest icon to create a new code. Then enter a name, example guest John Doe, and set an access code. From there, select access type guest. Then set the schedule duration. Input the exact check-in and check-out dates and times for the reservation so the code automatically stops working after they leave. Step 2. Share the code with your guest. Unlike Airbnb, Vrbo does not offer a native automatic code sending feature with locks like the Schlage encode. You will need to manually deliver the code. Many hosts recommend setting the custom access code to the last four digits of the guest phone number to make it easy for them to remember. Message the code to your guest using the secure Vrbo messaging platform. Alternatively, if you use a property management channel manager like Guesty for host or hospitable, you can integrate it to automate the generation and messaging of the door codes. Step 3. Provide instructions and backups. Since guests may be unfamiliar with Schlage lock, so include the lock instructions in your automated Verbo welcome message. Remind them how to lock the door behind them on their way out. Example, pressing the outside Schlage button or using the auto lock feature. Always have an emergency backup, such as keeping a physical key in an on-site lock box in case the smart lock loses power or the Wi-Fi connection drops. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.